Hi everyone. So previously we have talked about the three main terms involved in the first law, okay, namely heat, work, and internal energy. So now let's look at how we're going to chain it up together. Okay, and this is the form. This is the equation. Okay, that is the conservation of energy. Okay, for this case, Q minus W equals to delta U. It is only applied for the closed system configuration. Okay, the closed one where there is no mass across the boundary. And how you see this is basically like this. So let me give you this example. So heat, okay, can go from one form to the work form to the internal energy form. Okay, and let's say for this case, a cylinder with a piston, the air is inside, right? And somebody pushes the piston down. Okay, and from the previous video, we know that the W, the work, is going to be a negative value, right? So let's say the work done by pushing down the piston is actually minus 10 joules. It cannot be plus 10 because it is not done by the gas. It is on the gas. Okay, so it is minus 10 joules. And where does this work go? It actually goes to increase in the internal energy of the gas that is inside. Okay, as I push down, the gas gets compressed and it actually raises in its level of internal energy. Okay, so we can say that delta U increases, right? But it can increase to, let's say, 9 joules. Okay, 9 joules. So if we put them into the equation itself, Q minus, so this negative sign, right, actually is independent of this, the value of W. So if W is negative, then you have to put a negative 10 over here. Alright, and the change in internal energy, it increases. Okay, at the end it is more, so this is plus 9. Okay, so Q minus becomes plus 10 equals to 9. Q is equals to minus 1. Okay, and you can see that there is a reason for this, because as I compress the gas, most of the energy from the work goes into increasing the internal energy of the gas, but not all of them are used up. The remaining actually becomes a heat energy. Now, is this heat gain or heat loss? Minus should be a heat loss. So actually, heat is lost to the surroundings. Okay, through this particular exercise, and heat loss we know is negative. So how much heat loss? You can calculate out to be 1 joule. So that's how you see this equation at play.